Glorious day today, absolutely beautiful. So here we go with another one. We're in Malvern, you've been here for a while, and it's the Pinnacle Hill and Summer Hill Circular. So let's give it a go.
Very much looking for my special collection.
Yeah. I feel like it's going to be warm down. You can actually, yeah.
Well, there you go, that's the first summit, that is. Only a mile from the car park. That's Summer Hill. So this is Pinnacle Hill and Summer Hill in Malvern. It's around 25 named peaks around here in Malvern alone. And it was home to a lot of Bronze Age round barrows back in the day, which is a kind of ancient monument. And it's 1,171 feet, Pinnacle Hill. Mind an house like that. And views. Old AllTrails. Resting price. Little geology fact. All these hills and peaks around Malvern, known as igneous rock, which is basically the cooling of lava, magmatic from volcanoes. So this is the final approach to Pinnacle Hill, the ascent. So it wasn't the final approach, we're going back down now to go back up to Pinnacle Hill. That's the Worcestershire Beacon there. Well, there you go then, that's another one done. Pinnacle Hill, Malvern. So that big peak in the middle of the screen there, that's the highest point in Malvern, and that's the Worcestershire Beacon. That was my first ever hiking video, that was. Worcestershire Beacon. That's where we come from up there, Pinnacle Hill. And this is another summit, Jubilee Hill. Oh, this is another summit apparently. Perseverance Hill. Unbelievable views today. Let's do this panoramic. There you go, that's the 360. Superb. Formed around 680 million years ago, the Malvern Hills were. It's 3,000 acres of open countryside. Area of outstanding natural beauty. Beautiful. It was declared as a royal forest by William the Conqueror back in the 11th century, 1083, around the Malvern Hills. So there was hunting, grazing, 11th century. So we're back to where we are, only about 0.6 miles from the car. So there's the Worcestershire Beacon there. Pretty close to it now. And that's where we went along to Pinnacle Hill. That one there is what we went up near the start, Summer Hill. We went through the forest, looped back around Pinnacle Hill and along the ridge back to here. Pretty much right by the Worcestershire Beacon. Cracking views though. Yeah, so it's home to a lot of Iron Age hill forts around the Malvern Hills. Circa 50 AD, a lot of them were abandoned and destroyed. Famous worldwide, Malvern is for its water. Famous spring water, bottled up and shipped worldwide. Water from Malvern. So yeah, Malvern Hills, it's actually derived from the ancient British and Welsh language, Malvern Hills. And it's Moel Bryn, which basically means bare hill or bald hill. Coming up to 6 mile. That's it then, all done with another one. That was Pinnacle Hill, and we also visited the summits of Summer Hill, Jubilee Hill and Perseverance Hill. So it was a 4-for-1 special today, 4 summits, but the main one was Pinnacle Hill. So thanks for watching, see you next time guys. Perseverance Hill, what can they tell me about it? I've been trying 30 years, still am. Bald Hill. Sounds like half my night, fucking bald. And me, I'm getting there.